continue chapter number 13, shapes and patterns, and today we will see part 5. So children, today we will discuss about perimeter. Now what is perimeter? Let's see one example. Mr. Verma wants to fence his garden to protect it from animals. So to find out how much wire he needs, he takes a long rope and ties a knot at its end. Then he starts moving from one corner of the garden along its boundary to the next corner. He ties a knot in the rope at this point. Then he moves further and at every corner he ties a knot. So when he reaches the corner from where he had started, he ties the last knot. The rope looks like this. It looks like this. So what he does next? He now measures the rope from the first knot to the last knot and finds it to be 20 centimeter long. So this length around the garden is its perimeter. So what is perimeter, children? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a given figure. Okay. So we will see how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So you can see one rectangle here, A, B, C, D. You can see this rectangle, and in this rectangle opposite sides are equal in measure. You can see the length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter, and opposite sides are equal in measure. So to find the perimeter of this A, B, C, D, we will add all the sides, means this AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This has been written here. So the measure of AB is 5. The measure of BC is 3 centimeter. That we will write here. The measure of CD is 5 centimeter and DA is 3 centimeter. So you can see here, children, the length is written twice here, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So instead of that, we can write it as 2 multiplied by 5 centimeter, because 5 centimeter is twice here. Similarly, the breadth, which is 3 centimeter, that is also twice. So we can write it as 2 multiplied by 3 centimeter. So now we will multiply. So this would be 5 2s are 10 centimeter plus this will be 3 2s are 6 centimeter. So 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter would be equal to 16 centimeter, which is the perimeter of this rectangle. So thus from this we can say that the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth. So from that we can just write this formula as 4 multiplied by, within brackets, length plus breadth. So to find the perimeter of any rectangle, we can use this formula to find the perimeter of the given rectangle. Okay. Now for the perimeter of a square, you can see this square here, PQRS. So in a square we know that all sides are equal, means this PQ would be equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP. Okay. So to find the perimeter of the perimeter of this PQRS, we will add all the sides, that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. This is written here. So we'll write the sides here. Each side is 3 centimeter because this is a square. So you can see this, it has 4 sides and all 4 sides are equal. So we will write it as 4 multiplied by 3 centimeter is equal to, we'll get it as 12 centimeter. So the perimeter of this square would be 12 centimeter. So from this we can say that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by sides. It means because a square has 4 sides and all 4 sides are equal in length, equal in measure. So we can find the perimeter of a square by this formula, which is 4 multiplied by side. To get the perimeter of curved shapes like a circle. So to find the perimeter of any object, stretch a thread along its boundary. You should have one thread to place. What we will do, we will place a thread along the boundary of this circle, then open it and measure the length using a ruler or a scale. Suppose here one example is there where we have to find the perimeter of a circle of radius 2 centimeter. This is a circle of radius whose radius is 2 centimeter. So draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter. So how you will draw the circle of radius 2 centimeter? You will use a compass. You will place the pointed end somewhere like here, and then you will add 2 markings. You will place the pencil end here. Then with the help of compass you will make the center of a circle, and then you will draw a circle of radius 2 centimeter. Then what we will do? We will take a thread and stretch it along the boundary of the circle to complete one round. Suppose we will place the thread from here. Then we will just move it around we will just stretch it along the boundary of the circle to complete one round. And then we will open that thread and measure it using a ruler. Suppose this is the thread. We will measure the length of that thread with the help of a ruler or a scale. So that length of the thread would be the perimeter or the circumference of the circle. So perimeter of a curved surface or a circle is called as the circumference of the circle. Okay. Now we'll see one more example how to find the perimeter using a square grid. You can see one square grid here, and there is one shape inside it. So we have to find the perimeter of this shaded area. So how we'll find? We can find the perimeter of any plane figure by drawing it on a squared sheet of paper. So let's see one example here. So find the perimeter of the given figure. Each side of the square in the grid is of 1 centimeter. You can see each side of the square. Here it is, the length of each side of the square in the grid is 1 centimeter. So to get the perimeter of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, what we will do? We will add the sides. So here you can see we will add AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG and plus GH and then plus HA. Okay, it has been written here. So what would be the length of AB? Here you can see, children. Yes. So each side, this side is also 1, this side is also 1, this side is also 1. So we will add the sides. So this is 1, 1, 1. So what would be the length of AB? AB would be 3 centimeter. 1, 1, 1, 3 centimeter. Then BC is 1 centimeter. DC or CD is 1 centimeter. Okay. Then D would be also 1 centimeter here. Here also 1. EF would be 2 centimeter. You can see E to F 2 centimeter. Then FG is 1 centimeter. GH would be 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. And HA would be 3 centimeter. Okay. This has been written here, the measure of each side. So when we'll add, this would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and 4, 13, 13 and 3, 16 centimeter. So this 16 centimeter would be the perimeter of this shaded area, shaded figure here. Okay. So understand, children, how to find the perimeter using a square grid. So we have already seen that how to find first we saw what is a perimeter. Okay, this is the total length of the boundary of a given figure. Then we saw how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. That formula is 2 multiplied by within bracket length plus breadth. Then to get the perimeter of a square, because in a square all sides are equal and there are 4 sides. So to get the perimeter of a square, we will use this formula 4 multiplied by side. Then to get the perimeter of the curved shape, okay, we will just place a thread along its boundary. Then with the help of ruler, we will find out the length of that thread, which will we will place the thread, and with the help of ruler we will find the length of that thread. So in that way we will get the circumference or perimeter of the circle. Then we also saw how to find the perimeter using a square grid. We will just add each side of that given figure and we will find the perimeter of that given figure. So in this way, children, we will practice. You will just go through the textbook content also. And that's all for today, children. Thank you.